There are several ways to maximize your Sitemap Builder workspace when working on large projects, including collapsing and expanding functions, zooming in and out, switching the cell size, changing the orientation, adding sections. Collapsing and expanding child pages is an easy way to hide or show pages within a large sitemap with many levels. To expand or collapse one branch of a sitemap, click the up or down arrows at the bottom of each page. Alternatively, use Collapse All or Expand All buttons on the toolbar to expand or collapse all levels of a sitemap at once. Adjust the sitemap view with the Zoom In and Zoom Out buttons, or use the keyboard shortcuts, Ctrl- and Ctrl+ on Windows, Command- to zoom out, or Command+ to zoom in on Mac. Adjust the sitemap cell size with the Cell Size button on the toolbar. Click and select the preferred cell size. Change the project orientation from the default view to vertical or a family tree layout. To clean up your workspace, break your sitemap branches into separate structures by creating sections. For more information, please visit our support site. Thanks for watching.